Hi everybody, just thought I'd make a quick video to show you an alternative way of structuring up, not so much structuring but formatting in PowerPoint as opposed to Word. Okay, so we're going to have open, which you can see, a PowerPoint document, and it makes it quite easier for just cutting and pasting and dropping information in. So we've got a blank presentation here and I've got 5 slides. Now remembering that each new report starts on a new slide. It may go over. We've said 5 pages, but if you do, 5 and 1 and a bit for each one, that might be, 10 pages. But just start the new report. The binomial and one sample should stick to 1 page possibly, but the other 3 questions might run you over. Okay, so just make sure you do that. All right. So if we go to Insert, Text Box, and then we'll just put it in here, and this might be, say, let's do question 3, binomial test. That's our heading, and then we'll put underneath that another text box, and we're going to play with these in a sec, so we might just call that the report, just the way I've done it, so we know that's coming. Then for our third text box, we put down a big one here, and we've already run the test and we've made up our beautiful report, and we've got that in a Word document here. So I'm just going to copy it, bring it across, and then paste it into here. All right, now as you know, with these nice things you can move them around wherever you want to go. Okay, so let's line them all up there, and then we obviously need to bring across our binomial test that we've run. So I'd run a binomial test just out of the trial data, making sure we put our test proportion in there. There's just a clue. So we're just going to copy that. All right, come back to here, and we're going to paste it as a picture. Now that means it comes here a bit small, but it's very easy just to increase the size, and look at that. Oh, one thing I forgot is that we're just going to go to text box, put another one in there, and then it might be table 3 binomial output, or whatever you want to call it. Okay, and then we can make that a bit bigger, bring that down. Okay, you can play with this to get the right font and all sorts of things, but up to you how you do it. But as I said, make sure each question starts on a new page. And if it's a bigger report, you might want to move things up, and you can move this up if you want to make this a bit bigger, all sorts of things. It makes it really easy to do. Just to show you, it does copy across the diagrams as well. Here's one from a 1 sample t-test I ran, so I'm just going to again copy. Don't have to do copy special, across, and we paste it, and then again it's here for us to play with. All right, so you can bring it down there, because for this question, you might have a few more hint graphs and charts that you've got to bring across. So we might have to have our descriptives, and again we can just plonk that in there, and again you can see how easy it is to play with that, and you can put your headings in. So we're just going to use the text box wherever we're creating something, and to copy as a picture from SPSS, and we should be fine. Last thing we've got to do is we've got to save it as a PDF, because you can't put PowerPoint presentations into turn it in. So we'll come back to the document, presentation 1 we'll call it, but we're going to save it as a PDF. Okay, let's save. There's one I made yesterday. So it's all set to go, and that brings it up, and it's all nice, ready to go. Okay, so I know that's pretty quick, but that's just an alternative for those who are struggling to format and mucking around with it. And like me, I don't really like using Word at all, and hopefully that will make things easy for you. And just get in contact with me if there's a little bit that you don't understand with that. Okay, bye.